At RMA Mutual Assurance, our purpose has always been bigger than compensation. We exist to safeguard South Africa's everyday heroes, to walk with them through the hardest moments of their lives, and to help restore dignity, possibility, and long-lasting impact. This is the heart of RMA's social impact. Meet Mr. Seloane, a dedicated worker, a father, and a man whose life changed in an instant after a devastating injury left him paraplegic. At RMA Welkom Sub-Acute Rehabilitation Facility, he began the journey of relearning how to live step by step with determination, therapy, and unwavering support. And today, he reminds us of something profound. This injury is not the end of the world, it is the beginning of a new chapter, fueled by resilience and hope. Our commitment to dignity extends beyond our claimants. At Itembelihle LSEN School, a school for learners with physical disabilities, RMA has adopted and sponsored a new, fully equipped building designed to unlock potential. Here, children are empowered with practical skills: bead making, hospitality services, strawberry gardening, and even chicken farming. These are more than activities, they are tools for independence. Tools to ensure that every learner has a chance to shape a future defined not by limitation, but by opportunity. For former mine worker Mr. Harry Shikweni, injury meant the end of his mining career, but not the end of his ability to provide. RMA stepped in with more than compensation. We supported Harry in learning a new skill, farming. We provided training equipment and the resources needed to build a sustainable business. Today, he runs his own farm, takes care of his family with pride, and lives with restored dignity as one should. Mr. Bead Masha is another testament to the power of a second chance. After losing his leg in a workplace accident, he faced an uncertain future. Through RMA's support, Bead is now completing his training as a prosthetist assistant, learning to help others walk again, even as he rebuilds his own life. This is impact that goes beyond recovery. This is empowerment. And impact takes many forms. Through the Young Artist Project, funded by RMA in partnership with the KZN Gallery, young creatives across South Africa are given the space to express, to heal, and be heard. Zama, one of the young artists, has gone through challenges. Her art has become her language, a way to confront her pain, honor her healing, and inspire others with her strength. The Young Artist Project expands the meaning of solo exhibition, transforming it into a powerful conversation between image, experience, and emotion. These are the stories of courage, of rebuilding, of finding new purpose. At RMA, we believe that true social insurance is not about compensation, it's about care. It's about restoring dignity. It's about enabling lasting impact that echoes through families, communities, and generations. RMA Mutual Assurance, safeguarding everyday heroes, empowering their tomorrow.